Vehicle display. ISUZU KV100, 3X cab, sleeper with AC, right-hand drive, left optional, equipped center lock, multifunctional steering, power window, multifunctional LCD instrument panel. 2 toolboxes on each side. Hydraulic planetary winch with 25-meter steel wire rope. 1 manual control station each side. 2 sections of underlift including 1 fixed section. Max lifting weight of underlift 2,500 kilograms. Automatic wheel receiver device. Max lifting capacity of boom 3,000 kilograms. Light bar. Step 1. Tow operation. Shake the operating lever left and right to check if it is in neutral. Press the clutch pedal and brake pedal. Start the engine. Check the air pressure, it must be above 8. Open the tow, pull outward to open, push inward to close. Release the clutch pedal and brake pedal. Step 2. Wrecker manual operation. Drop the underlift. Drop the boom. Open the wheel receiver. Adjust the height of the underlift. Extended underlift. Close the wheel receiver. Raise the boom. This video is for demonstration only. In actual operation, you need to tie the tire with strapping equipped. Drive the truck after completing the operation. The tow must be closed before shifting into gear to avoid damage. Step 3. Wrecker release operation. Drop the boom. Open the wheel receiver. Retracted underlift. Close the wheel receiver. Raise the boom. Raise the underlift. Caution: when using manual control, you must first raise the boom before raising the underlift. Wrecker remote control. Drop the underlift. Drop the boom. Extended underlift. Open wheel receiver. Extended boom. Release the rope before extending lifting boom. Boom retracted and tight rope. Retracted boom. The winch's release switch. It must be engaged before reeling in the rope. Tight the winch rope. Close the wheel receiver. Retract it under lift. Raise the underlift. Raise the boom. The tow must be closed. After operation. Recovery testing. Main specs.